So sometimes our lives suffer the consequences, the defect that is established as a result of a wrong foundation. That's why, if you want to help your children get their foundations right, they don't have to know everything about your pains, else it will alter their perception about life. They step into life reactionarily, start expecting and anticipating pain. So the season to lay foundation requires loads of carefulness. When you lay foundation, you don't lay foundation based on just what you have, but based on where the future is going. Maybe because of human biases and sometimes even family. Some things can be altered about a person's life because of that exposure, that it may take time in life for them to be corrected.